Hey everybody, I have just a really quick video for you. I was asked to show in a little bit more detail and in a separate video on how I kind of bundle up my thread underneath my flowers and just kind of tuck it behind there, excuse my nails, just to give my project a little bit more texture and dimension. So I'm going to try to do that, and I'm first going to explain why I use upholstery thread rather than regular sewing thread. So here is the regular sewing thread. It's nice if it's all you can have. It does give, you know, behind a, you could see the texture, and it just gives a little bit more something to your project. And it's a nice added fabric to your project. But the upholstery thread, as you could see, it has a lot of more dimension. So it's very thick and it has like almost like a wax coating on it. So you can kind of manipulate it a little bit better and get it to have even more dimension. So, I mean, even if you wanted it like this on a project, see, whoops, as the regular thread just kind of lays flat. There's not a lot of dimension to it. So I'm going to show you, now that I explained that, I'm going to show you how I kind of ball it up and smush it under my flowers. All right, so you want to get a good length. This is maybe like 30 inches or so. And what I do is I wrap it around my fingers, and I'll do like all my fingers, and then I'll do a couple fingers, and then a few fingers, and all my fingers. So just to get a little bit of variation with the circles. And then I'll take it off like this, and then you could just put it down like that. But what I like to do is take it and kind of play around with it, and then get it to not be so so many like straight circles, so it kind of has a little bit more interest to it. Sorry, it's not gonna focus. There we go. And depending on the flowers and embellishments you're wanting to put on top is how big you want it. So what I like to do is I like to put it down, and then I'll take my glue, and I'm just gonna do this for this video. Hopefully, I'm running out of glue, and hopefully this video is sufficient. I know it just, once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. And I mean, once in a while I'll have to kind of tear it off and do it over again, but I kind of put it on the side. So just like that, and then you have all your strings there. So really cool. All right, I'm gonna do it one more time. So you take a good amount, and then I'm gonna wrap it around my fingers, just like this, and then pull it apart. And like I said, you can leave it like that, but what I like to do is, I guess, make it 8, I guess. Not perfectly, as you could see. And then you can kind of play around with the different circles and stuff. So then you have kind of like that. Just like that. It's hard to see. Let me try to see, just like that. That's how I do it. I know there's different ways, like some people, they put their flower down and then they'll kind of tuck this in like this. You can also do it that way. But like I said, the regular thread is not going to give you all of that dimension that the upholstery thread. So this is Coats & Clark upholstery thread. I get it on Amazon. I believe it's like a couple dollars, and when they have it in stock at Hobby Lobby, I like to get it there because then you can use a coupon, excuse me, So there's 150 yards, and I believe there's different colors you can get. I have black somewhere, and I have white, and it's just very handy, and it's really nice to just kind of add a little touch to your projects. So I hope that helps out. If it did, leave me a comment down below, and if you have any other suggestions on little tips or, you know, questions you have or anything like that, let me know down in the description, or not the description, the comment section down below, so that I can get those videos out for you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it on social media, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.